Hello everyone, my name is Kürşat Enes Kurnaz. This video focuses on how everyday products can shape user behavior through design. Today I will analyze the Banat Acrobat toothbrush from a design history perspective. The Banat Acrobat toothbrush was designed by Kunter Şekercioğlu and Özüm Özkan, and it received the Design Turkey Industry Design Award in 2010. At first glance it looks like a simple daily hygiene product. However, its design shows how even small objects can influence the way we behave. My main argument is that this toothbrush is not only a functional object, but also a behavioral design tool. It guides the user toward correct brushing habits through its physical form. To explain this, I will use the PESTLE framework. From a social perspective, there is a growing awareness of personal hygiene and preventive healthcare. This creates a demand for products that are easy to use correctly, and this toothbrush responds that needs. From a technological perspective, the flexible neck and ergonomic handle are key features. These elements help control pressure and movement, reducing the risk of incorrect use. From an economic perspective, the product is designed for mass production and wide distribution. It's affordable and accessible, and it can be found in supermarkets and pharmacies. From an environmental perspective, the product is made for plastic, which raises sustainability concerns. However, its durability may reduce the need for frequent replacement. In terms of design history, this product reflects the shift toward user-centered design, which became dominant in the late 20th century industrial design. Designers began focusing more usability and user experience. This toothbrush also shows how design has evolved from passive objects into active systems to shape behavior. To conclude, the Banat Acrobat toothbrush demonstrates that even simple everyday products can influence user behavior. From a design history perspective, it shows how contemporary design focuses on improving daily life through user-centered thinking. Thank you for listening to me. See you.